Guys, it's got Giro, it's so fast! Oh gosh, I love this car. What are you doing? Oh wow, look at those LEDs, dog.
I think they're LED underglows actually.
I guess it's kind of cool.
I don't know what color it is. I'm wiring in an agency Power Valvetronic exhaust set. That's what I'm doing back here.
What's with the wiring though?
That's the LED underglow wiring I found.
Oh.
So I'm gonna fix that because.
Yes, very close to the suspension.
Yeah, it's really odd. So we'll fix that and make it better. Hopefully it's got cool colors under the car.
Yeah, this exhaust is beautiful though.
LEDs bring it back to the 90s. Straight to the 90s.
You mean to the street racer scene?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh yeah.
Super awesome.
At least they're better than the old underglows.
Don't worry, it was mounted to the carbon fiber piece under the car.
Oh.
We just have it sitting here right
okay.
now.
We don't want it to sit on the exhaust?
No.
Okay.
Not today.
Just checking.
Yeah. See if he can back the car out. Okay, he's gonna try to put it in a straight line. There we go. Ow! My ears!